Good day people, this is Murad Said. In this video I'm going to do a tool review on this Air Nesco 3/8 mini impact wrench. It's in type NP741. It's a compact, lightweight and powerful. Short body design fits tight spaces. A jumbo hammer design and low noise level at 90 decibels dBA. And I'm going to unbox this thing here. Wrapped in plastic, and bubble plastic, should I say. Alright, this is how the air hammer looks like, or the air impact, should I say. It's a nice short body, it's very short. It has a ring up there, so you go hang it up to a hook. And here is this hole right here, which is I'm going to install the air fittings. This one right here. And I'm going to show you how to do it by using this wrench, 40mm, and I'm going to use this tape to seal the threads. Alright, as you can see, I've installed the air fitting on the air gun. There we go, this is how it looks like. There's an air fitting. And there's a ring to hook it up. There's a front piece. You install a socket. You use impact sockets, not regular sockets. And I will show you how this impact sockets look like. This is the trigger right here. And on the back there's position here. R is for reverse. And F is for forward. And you have the clutch setting, which is 1, and there's 1, 2, and 3. That's to adjust the speed. 3/8 impact wrench, maximum torque 300 foot-pounds, free speed 6500 RPM, and it's made in Taiwan. Now I'm going to show you how to operate this thing. But first things first, when operating this air impact wrench, always use oil. And I recommend any kind of oil you could use, but right now what I'm using is this one right here. It's a Marvel Air 2 oil. Lubricates and protects, removes and deposits. But it says danger, harmful or fatal if swallowed, combustible. See additional cautions on the back. It's a 4-ounce bottle. And to do this, you just simply open this thing right here. I'm going to show you how. This is how you do it. See this nipple right here? You're going to put some in this hole right here where the air fitting is. Squeeze the bottle. Give it a little couple of drops, at least 3 drops. There you go. That's it. And then this the impact sockets I'll be using to do a little demonstration on this AC air compressor. And this is the socket set right here. It's from Gray Pneumatic. It's a nice socket on a blue molded case. See? GP, Gray Pneumatic. It's a 3/8 DR 6-piece metric. Now, to use this, air impact, I'm going to simply plug it into this air hose right here. Alright, this is how it looks like. It's all installed. It's on the air hose, all connected to the air hose. This is how it looks like. And I had it on reverse. So right now I'm going to demonstrate this. Let's try a demonstration right here. Alright, this is how we do it. I put a socket on the bolts. And always, when you're using these tools, always wear safety glasses. It's gonna see the bolt comes out. And this is the tool review on Air Nesco NP 741.